Mimi!
Hi guys!
What are you doing? So now only the queen of the coast, they invade this full kitchen. And we thought we were being attacked by armed robbers.
I heard a noise. And I knew we were being attacked. So I came back here to fight. Yeah.
So what are you doing with this, Garri?
I came here and my eyes started turning and I felt a spiritual being forcing Garri into my mouth. I think it's my Ogbanje spirit. Somebody call my mom, please. Please, call my mom.
If they leave this circus, it go cover you ripe with lies.
It's true. Anytime I'm being attacked by Ogbanje spirits, my mommy gives me Fanta. Yeah. Can somebody do something? Do something. Do.
Baby, I swear, your style of comedy is unique. But we don't need to come and join us when we're eating the last egusi by the house. I even tell her, come follow me shop Bolly and Hoye. He tell me, say, how to shop shush. You understand? I ain't not know so they run the form for where hunger day.
It's true.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to AY Airport. Local time is 3:20 a.m.
Exactly.
And the temperature is good. For your safety and comfort, we ask that you continue with your Garri until the pilot has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, which will indicate that the aircraft has come to its complete stop, where hunger can now bring out the Ogbanje in you. Thank you for flying with us, and we anticipate your continuous patronage. Ogbanje.
Wait, guys. Can somebody help me with sugar and granules? Please.
Welcome to First View Luxury Hotel. At First View Hotel, we offer excellent services. Our rooms has all the necessary facilities to make your stay a memorable and comfortable one. You will also have access to internet service, breakfast, 24 hours power supply, full air condition, free international calls, free tire pumping service, and free car battery charging. So, what are you waiting for? Quickly visit First View Luxury Hotel. We are located at number 1 Adeniran Bamishele Raji Razaki Road, First Estate, Amuwo Odofin, First Stack, Lagos, Nigeria. For inquiries and reservation, you can call or chat us on WhatsApp on this number 080-757-87135 or 080-999-00601. US local number 134-746-46874. First View Luxury Hotel. Your satisfaction is our concern. So come experience the home of comfort. Oh yeah!